I'm Ricky.
And I'm Misu.
And this is In the Kitchen with RiKiMiSu.
Today we have another challenge.
The What's in the Box challenge.
Here's how it works. One person puts something inside the box, and the other person has to blindly stick their hands in, and while they're feeling it, they have to try and guess what it is.
You ready?
You bet I am. I'm totally gonna win this one.
We'll see about that. Alright, let me grab your first item.
Okay, I'm looking away.
Alright, you can guess your first item.
Okay, here we go. Oop, that's the... Oh, okay, here it is. It's really smooth. It's fatter at the bottom. Oh, is this a stem? I think this is a stem. So some kind of fruit. Is it a peach? A pear? Sorry, a pear?
Which is the final?
A pear.
Alright, yes, you got it right.
Alright.
We're going easy on you for that one.
That was still pretty hard.
Yeah, alright, now it's my turn.
Okay, look away.
Alright. It's a little bit nerve-wracking. I don't know what to expect.
Okay, you can look now.
Alright. I'm a little bit scared. Okay.
Alright.
Oh, it's little. Oh, I know what this is. This is so easy.
What is it?
It's an avocado.
You got that one?
That was easy. I eat this like every day.
Alright, now it's time for me to go.
Alright, I'm gonna go grab your item now.
Alright.
Okay, you can go.
Alright, I'm a little nervous. Here we go. Oh, alright. Oh. Oh, whoa, what is that? Why is it furry? What is that? Don't touch it. Okay. Oh god, okay, I'm shaking. Alright. Oh. Oh! Wait, no. It's like furry and it's very small. I think... Oh! Is this a kiwi?
Oh, you got it.
Oh!
See, I thought you would guess an animal because of the fur.
That was so scary.
Yeah, either an animal or a peach for sure.
Alright, that was really scary now.
Alright, now it's your turn. I'm gonna look away.
Okay, you can look now.
Okay. Ready?
Here we go.
Oh, it's what the? What is this? What is this?
This one might be a little harder. You got this.
Oh my gosh, I don't know.
I don't even know if I would guess.
Oh, I know what this is. This bottom part. It's ginger. Ginger.
No, it's actually garlic.
Oh, it's garlic?
That was a good guess though, ginger.
This is not garlic. It is garlic. See, I felt this bottom part and it kind of felt like ginger, so
It's quite a strange shape.
You're in the lead by one, but I'll redeem myself.
Alright, now it's time for me to go.
Alright, so I'm gonna go grab the hardest item I have for her.
Okay, I'll look
see
away.
how she does with it. I'm gonna be super surprised if she guesses this. Alright, go ahead.
Okay, I'm nervous. Here we go. Stick our hands in the box.
Do I even know what this is?
Whoa, what is that? Whoa! I just touched the... Okay, you got this. I don't want to touch that. Wait. Okay, here we go. Don't worry. Whoa, it's here. What is this?
Even looking at it, I have no
Whoa!
idea.
Wait. Whoa. Hold on. There's like prickly things. It's not prickly. Oh, wait a second.
Oh,
wait.
No way. No
Wait,
way.
is this? I'm gonna go with dragon fruit.
Actually, right. She got dragon fruit
Whoa! I
right.
can take my hands out of the box. That was scary.
Crazy.
I just knew one of those little things sticking
Look
off
at
of
this.
it.
How could you guess that? Why?
Pro fruit lover over here.
That's crazy. All right, it's my turn.
Here's your hardest item.
All right.
Okay. Make sure it doesn't move.
Like a solid apple.
All right, you can look now.
Wait, do you say make sure it doesn't move? Are
Okay.
you joking?
Go ahead.
No,
Stick
you
your
gotta be
hands in.
joking. Oh, no.
This is so
Are
funny
you
because I know what it is. Okay.
Ew.
There you go. You gotta guess it.
Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. Wait.
Yeah.
Wait. No. No. Wait. It's a weird shape.
It's a good item, I
Is this a
think.
bug?
You gotta guess something. What is it? What is it? I don't think I would guess
this. Is this a stick bug or something?
Okay, what is your final
Stick
guess?
bug. Stick
No!
bug.
It's actually a piece of ginger!
This is ginger! It looks like a scorpion too or
Actually,
something.
it does. The shape.
Oh my gosh. She said it was like moving, and I was like touching it, and then at first I was touching it a lot, and I was like, oh, it's not too bad. And then I felt the shape, and it scared me. I thought it was like an insect with legs. Oh.
It's actually very rough texture.
Oh, that was crazy. That was very, very nerve-wracking. All right.
You really scared me when you gave me that dragon fruit because all the spikes on the side. I thought you were giving me some sort of living creature.
No, you scared me with this ginger. Like this ginger, I actually thought it was some insect or like a stick bug because of how it felt and all that like weird stuff coming off the sides.
I got nervous watching you trying to touch it.
Yeah, your hard item was like really, I think all of the fruits were like really good fruits that we chose. Yeah. I'm still a little bit nervous from that. Well, it looks like you're the winner of this challenge.
Overall, it was a really fun game to play.
Yeah, for sure. And if you want to check out more fun videos, recipes, and other cool stuff, go to kidfoodnation.com.
Check it out with your mom or dad. Maybe you'll even find tonight's dinner.
See you next time.